Now we're going to work out the concentration of hydrochloric acid. So I did a few more titrations. Here's where I ended off. Here is the end of my second titration. So that works out to be 5.00 mils. And my third titration ended up being 4.95 mils. And in my third titration that I did after my initial one, worked out to be 4.90 mils. So I've obviously overshot the first one, but I've now got three concordant results. They are all within 0.2 of each other. So I'm now going to work out the average. Add those together, divide by 3. Turns out that my average is 4.95 mils. Okay, so that's how much of the sodium carbonate we added from the burette. Now it's time to work out the concentration of hydrochloric acid. The way I do it is I write N equals V equals C equals, and for the hydrochloric acid, N equals V equals C equals. Okay, what do we know? Well, we can see that the mole ratio is 1 to 2. What else do we know? We know the concentration of the primary standard we made up. That was 0.131 moles per litre. The average titer was 4.95 mils, but we don't work in mils, we work in litres. So we're going to divide that by 1,000. We're trying to work out the concentration of the hydrochloric acid. And the volume of the hydrochloric acid was the pipette, that was 10 mils. We're not using mils, we're using litres, so dividing by 1,000. Okay, so you can now see that to work this one out, we need these two numbers, but we don't have that number. That N is the same as that N, but we don't have that N, but we can work it out using these two numbers. So the formula number of moles equals volume times concentration. Times all that together. .4845 times 10 to the negative 4. One mole reacts with 2 moles. So that we are timesing by 2. So we're going to do the same thing to what we've got down here. We're going to times that one by 2 as well. Equals 1.2969 times 10 to the negative 3. These two numbers, we can work out that one. So concentration equals number of moles over volume. The concentration turns out to be 0.12969. But we're now going to round it to 3 significant figures. That one needs to round, so there's 3 significant figures. That one is going to round that one up. So Done.